Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to change background color on Wix. Head to your Wix dashboard and find the site you want to edit. Click the Edit Site button. The Wix editor will load with your site visible on screen. Select the page where you want to change the background color. You'll see a page drop down at the top of the editor or in the page panel on the left. Click it and choose your page. The selected page will display in the editor canvas. On the left side of the editor, click Site Design. The Site Design panel will open showing your customization options. In the Site Design panel, click Page Background. You'll see the background customization options appear: color, image, and video. Click the color option. The color picker interface will open. Now you can select your background color. You'll see your site's theme colors at the top, and below that you can add a custom color under My Colors. Click any theme color to apply it, or click the custom color option and enter hex, RGB, or HSB values for precise color selection. As you pick a color, the page background preview will update so you can see what it looks like. If you want to apply this same background color to other pages on your site, look at the bottom of the panel and click Apply to Other Pages. A selection interface will appear where you can choose which pages receive the background color. Before publishing, preview your site to see how the background color looks on different screen sizes, especially mobile. When you're happy with how it looks, publish your site to make the changes live. That's it. Thanks for watching.